welcome to my Onam special videos. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'll show you a simple Onam recipe. Just don't look at any cooking. So today's recipe is Mango Pachadi. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. For this we required take coconut milk, salt, chilli, chopped mango, chopped small onion and curry leaves. Take a bowl and put chopped mango. Add chopped small onion, curry leaves. Add salt. Mix well. Now add chilli. Now add coconut milk. Mix well. Now it's ready. We should add coconut milk just before serving. My mango pachadi is ready. This is very easy to make and you don't look at cooking. Please try this very tasty. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Also don't forget to subscribe. Bye.